Hey everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. If you're thinking about selling printable designs on Etsy and want to make sure you're doing it legally and safely, you're definitely in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create a beautiful sellable design in Canva, all while following copyright rules, so you can grow your business with total peace of mind. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a brand new design ready to upload, but you'll also understand the important details that keep you on the right side of Etsy's policies and copyright law. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should know before you even start designing is that not everything you find in Canva or on the internet is automatically free or legal to use for commercial purposes. This is huge. If you want to sell your work on platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon, you need to make sure the fonts, graphics, and elements you use are either your own original creations or completely copyright-free and licensed for commercial use. Canva actually helps with this, but it's important to check each element. If you're ever unsure, a quick search for Canva Elements Commercial Use will take you to their licensing page, which lays out exactly what's allowed. Trust me, taking a minute to double-check now can save you a lot of headaches later. Now I'm going to show you how to put together a design using only copyright-free elements in Canva, so you can see the whole process from start to finish. Think of this like building a collage with magazine cutouts, except it's all digital and way easier to tweak. Go ahead and open up Canva, start a new design, and let's bring in some elements. Let's say you want a celestial, nature-inspired print. Those are super popular for wall art at the moment. Head over to the Elements tab in Canva. In the search bar, type in crescent moon. You'll see a variety of options pop up. Some are abstract, some look hand-drawn. Choose one that fits the vibe you're going for. Next, let's add an animal, maybe something mysterious like a fox or an owl. Type owl or fox into the search bar and again browse and select an illustration that complements your moon. Don't rush this part. Take a minute to drag it into your design, experiment with sizes, and position it until it feels balanced. To add a bit of natural texture, search for leaves and pull a few leafy graphics into your design. Play around with layering them. They could float around the moon or rise from the bottom. What you're doing is kind of like arranging flowers in a vase. Move things around until it just feels right in your eye. Finally, let's bring in the sea. Search for sea or waves. Sometimes a simple graphic or a few swirling lines can suggest water without making the design too busy. Arrange this in the background or at the bottom for a grounded, harmonious look. Once you put all your chosen elements together, take a step back and ask yourself, does it look cohesive? Are the colors and graphic styles working together? Don't worry if you need to tweak a few things at this stage. A little adjustment goes a long way. And remember, the key to selling well on sites like Etsy is to create something visually appealing that feels unique, even if you're using elements others have access to. When you're happy with your artwork, it's time to make it ready for sale. Click Share in the top right corner of Canva, then choose Download. Make sure you export your design in a high-resolution format like PNG or PDF print so your future customers get the best quality possible. That's it, your design is ready to be uploaded to Etsy, eBay, or wherever you plan to sell. So there you have it, a complete walkthrough on designing in Canva for Etsy print on demand, all done legally and ethically. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share what you're working on. I'd love to see your creations. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on growing your creative business. Thanks for watching and happy designing.